Have you ever looked at your toddler or your child and thought, how do I actually help them talk more? Maybe you're reading all the blogs, hearing about language milestones, and starting to wonder, am I really doing enough? Well, breathe easy, because today I'm going to show you simple ways to boost your toddler's communication using the everyday stuff you're already doing. No special toys, no speech degree required, just you, your child, and a few small changes that makes a big difference. I'm Oluwaseun Abosede-Olaleke, your new early years practitioner neighbor. And if you're ready to turn snack time, laundry time, and silly songs into language building gold, you're in the right place. So, one of the things you will be doing is follow their lead. Be a commentator, not a quiz master. Let's start with something super common and something super easy to tweak. The way we talk to toddlers. A quick question. Have you ever caught yourself doing this? What's this? What color is this? What's the sound? It's totally normal. But here is the thing. Asking a whole lot of questions can actually feel like a pop quiz. And nobody likes pop quizzes, especially not children, not toddlers. Instead, I want you to try this. Be a narrator, like a sportscaster. Let's say your toddler is building with blocks. You could say, you stacked the red blocks. Wow! Oh, wow! Oh no! It's going down! It crashed! Boom! See what's happening? You're following their interests and labeling it with real, natural language. No pressure, just connection. And when you do ask the question, make it an open-ended one. Questions like, what should we do next? Not, do you want blocks? That tiny shift helps spark real conversation with these children, even if they don't have the words yet. Secondly, the power of the pause. Let that pause be in capital letters. This next one, it feels weird at first, but it's a game changer. I mean, the power of pause, it's a game changer. After you say something, pause. And I mean, really pause, like 5 to 10 seconds. It will feel like forever. I know, but that silence gives your toddler, your child, time to think and process and respond, even if it's just a look or a gesture or a happy babble. Let's try it together. Where did the ball go? Pause and smile quietly. See, that little gap is like a green light. It tells them it's your turn. And when they do make a sound or a gesture, celebrate it like it's a Grammy award. Yes! You pointed to the dog. That's a dog. Because every tiny little effort is a building block for future work. Number 3, language in everyday routines. Here's some good news. You don't need to add more to your plate. You just need to talk during what you're already doing. I mean, you talk while you're doing things, while you're doing stuff, like bath time. Splash, splash. Water is wet. Let's wash our toes. Tickle, tickle. During mealtime, we're stirring, cutting. Oh, this carrot is delicious. During laundry time, shirts, pants, big socks, tiny socks. Who does this belong to? These routines are rich with sensory experiences. And that's what children thrive on. That's what these toddlers thrive on. The more they see, hear, and feel, the more words stick. Number 4, reading. Okay, this is confession time. As an early years practitioner, I rarely finish an entire toddler book in one sitting. And that's totally okay. Your toddler might flip to the last page, close the book mid-sentence, or want to point at the dog over and over. Follow the lead. Yes, that's the dog. He looks sleepy. Night, night, dog. Night, night, dog. Ask simple questions like, where is the moon? Or, what is she doing? And if they slam the book shut, just roll with it. All done reading. Bye, book. Reading isn't about finishing the book. Remember, the goal isn't to read to them. It is to read with them. Interaction beats perfection every time. Number 5, sing and be silly. If there is one thing toddlers, children love, it is when we act ridiculous. Sung with gestures like "Itsy bitsy spider" or "Wheels on the balls" are language gold. They teach reading, body parts, actions, and even cause and effect. But here is the twist. Mess it up on purpose. Mess it up. The wheels on the bicycle, the cow on the bus. Wait, what? A cow? No, it's a dog. That silly surprise grabs their attention and gets them practically involved. You can also switch things up, like the wheels on the truck. The wheels on the truck go round and round. Music is movement. Music is memory. And when you mix that with fun, learning sticks. Here's a bonus tip. When to get extra help. I know some of you might still be wondering, should I be worried? My child is not talking yet, should I be worried? So here are a few red flags to watch out for. Fewer than 50 words by age 2. Not being able to combine 2 words like more milk by 24 to 30 months. Does not respond to name, especially his or her name. Doesn't follow simple instruction. Come, take. If something feels off, trust your gut. Talk to your pediatrician. Ask about early intervention services. They are often free or low cost. Here is what I want you to remember. You are your child's best teacher. Not because you know every technique, no, but because you know your child. Celebrate every little win, every sound, every gesture, every effort, because all those small, tiny moments, they're building something huge, and that's your child's voice. If you find this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and share with a fellow parent, educator, or caregiver. Thanks for watching, and hey, you've got this.